Christina with Innichka Chef, and welcome to my kitchen. Today's episode we are making spring salad, summer salad. It's so warm outside and it feels like I want some light and green meal. And today I'm showing you how to make plant-based salad, but full of flavor and bunch of ingredients and all of good. So it has some protein and a lot of different vegetables, good fat, everything. It's just one beautiful meal. The main ingredients, I have to tell, it's a zucchini, spiralized zucchini. Look how beautiful. And I don't have any special machine for that. So you can buy already at many supermarkets here. But I use just potato peeler, and that's how I get 3 zucchinis. Easy. 1 carrot, the same way. Look how pretty and thin. Also, I'm handling some red onion, half of red onion. Use more or less, really, it's up to you. Raisin tomatoes, if you haven't seen those, tiny, cute, the same size as olives. Also frozen or fresh peas. Mine is frozen. I always have frozen bag of peas in my freezer. Slightly thin sliced bell pepper. Any color will be working here, but I want to concentrate more on green. It's a green salad with little color here and there. So green bell pepper, that was my choice. Also avocado, chives or scallions if you don't have chives, and parsley. That will be beautiful salad with fantastic dressing, which is I will go over in a few minutes, and we'll lay on bed of spring mix. It's delicious. And for the dressing, we need main ingredients cashew, which just gives us protein and fat and gives it creaminess dressing without really cream or mayo-based dressing. So the cashew, and I soak. It's very important. Soak at least a half hour, 1 hour to make nice and soft, so it will be processed in a food processor much easier, in blender actually. So soaked in warm water for at least half 1 hour, please. Also tahini gives us a little bit of protein and fat. Also good quality extra virgin olive oil. Apple cider vinegar with the mother, you know, my favorite one, right? With the mother. Lemon juice of 1 lemon, juice of 1 lime. Also some ingredients as well. Nutrition yeast. If you, one of you or two of you who watch this video, if you're not familiar with this ingredient, I will link below my blog where I will describe everything, and I will specifically concentrate on these ingredients. It's powerful ingredients, especially on vitamin B. So for those who are vegetarian and missing some vitamins B, this good supplements to have, especially B6, a lot of B12, and really a lot of vitamins. So I like to add sometimes to my even morning porridge if it's on savory side, or sprinkle on salad, but today I'm include in my dressing, which is gives little bit umami flavor or cheesy. That's kind of work as a Parmesan cheese, if you will. And a little bit honey for sweetness, salt, pepper, 1 clove of garlic, and a little bit of fresh oregano. Needs more, but that's all my kids got for me today. So we'll work with those tiny bitty oregano. But if you have more, use more. You have basil, whatever fresh, gardens, beautiful this time of the year, use it. Let's do it. And let's start with the dressing. Very quick and easy. You put cashew with water, and I add water just barely to cover them. It's not that much. Garlic, oregano, salt, tahini, honey, nutrition yeast, lemon juice, lime juice, apple cider vinegar, and the last and not least, olive oil. Let's taste and see how creamy and beautiful and delicious. Oh yeah, lots of flavor. Perfect. Worst part is done. Preparation now is the easiest. You just dump everything in a bowl and cover with generous amount of dressing. Onion, tomatoes, peppers, parsley, chives, peas, and olives. Beautiful olives. This olives already been marinated with oregano in olive oil, so they already give nice punch of flavor. Give nice toast. Generous amount of creamy dressing. Look at the dressing. Goes all around, and that little garlic gives lots of flavor. And good for you too. Now zucchini and carrots. It's a lot of salad, big salad for big company. Here we go. Took 5-10 minutes, right, to make this beautiful, gorgeous platter salad. It's perfect for any potluck, for any get-together, really. It's, I hope, delicious too. Not only pretty, but we always eat with our eyes, don't you think, first? So we like a lots of flavor and colors. Colors. Delicious. If you want to sprinkle a little bit more with herbs, if you want drizzle with more lemon, or really with anything you like, just to make even more tasty if it's not enough salt for you. But for me it's perfect. It's delicious. Olives gives little salty, and then tomato slightly sweetness and acid. It's delicious. It's complex flavor and meal. So if you like the salad, how it looks, I try to convince you to make and taste how delicious. Cook for your family, cook from scratch. Give me a like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.